This is a gaming channel and you can earn up to 0.19 US dollar for 1000 view. And this is an animal channel, so you can earn around 0.4 US dollar per 1000 view. Alright, so in this video, we're going to talk about the RPM for different niche on YouTube, including my educational channel, my gaming channel, my animal channel, and also other vlogging channel, daily life channel. So we are going to find out the exact number that you will get for 1000 view. That is the RPM. Okay, so the revenue per mile on YouTube. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you, especially for those of you who want to become a YouTuber. You want to know what niche is best for you and how much money you can earn for 1000 views on YouTube. When it comes to YouTube revenue, it is calculated by views, not subscriber. And the RPM number is very important. It is the revenue or the money you get per 1000 views before tax. So it doesn't matter if your channel has 1 million subscribers, 10 million subscribers, stuff like that. More important thing is that how many views you get on your video. Okay, so let's go to my English channel. With this channel first, I will show you how much money per 1000 views for this channel. This is an educational channel and I make video about Filmora. So teaching people how to edit video and also coaching people about YouTube, growing YouTube and stuff like that. And this is the revenue tab of this channel, and this is the content performance videos, meaning that it is the RPM for long form video. So the number is 3.95 US dollar for 1000 view, and for short video it is 0.04 US dollar per 1000 view. Okay, and this is for live stream, but we don't care about live stream because I seldom go live on this channel. And this is my first channel. It is English channel and educational niche. And we come to the second channel, which is my Vietnamese channel. Okay, and this is my Vietnamese channel, and this is for long form video. The RPM for long form video is 1.17 US dollar. Okay, and for short form videos it is 0.02. So it's just half number of English channel. And for long form video, my English channel is 4 times higher than my Vietnamese channel. And this is for educational channel. It is in Vietnamese. And the RPM is very low, just around 1.17 US dollar. And for my gaming channel, let me go to my gaming channel. And it is in Vietnamese also. And this is the RPM for long form video on my gaming channel. And this channel is about mobile gaming, so I play mobile games and upload it to my YouTube channel, and the RPM is 0.19 US dollar, so we can earn around 0.19 US dollar per 1000 views, and it is for long form video. And for short video we can earn 0.01 US dollar for 1000 views. So this is a gaming channel. And let's go to an animal channel. Okay, so this is my animal channel. So it is about dogs, and we have long form video and short form video. By the way, we want to go to the revenue. Okay, so we have long form video and short form video, but the revenue here, okay, it is in Vietnamese đồng, by the way. It is around 0.4 US dollar for 1000 views for long form video, and for short form video it is 336 Vietnamese đồng. So it is equal to 0.01 US dollar. 0.01 US dollar is around 1 cent or 2 cents. Okay, so this is for animal channel. And we come to another daily life channel. Okay, and this is a daily live channel. So the number is 0.41 US dollar for long form video, and for short video it is 0.000 stuff like that. So it equal to 1 cent. Okay, it's a vlog channel, and he make video about car, about VinFast, which is a very famous brand in Vietnam, and about other things happening in life. Okay, and the language is in Vietnamese, so that's why the number or the RPM for this channel is low. So this is the RPM for long form video on this channel, and it is a reaction channel. So the number is 2.8 US dollar per 1,000 view. So you can make around 2.8 US dollar for 1,000 view for a reaction channel. And this channel is mainly about reacting other people content. Okay, so and it is also risky to make this kind of content, and you get copyright claim and copyright strike all the time. All right, so these are the RPM for some niche on YouTube that you need to know, and this is the real number from my channel and also other people's channel that I'm managing here on YouTube. I hope this information is helpful for you. By the way, if you want to increase the RPM or stuff like that, there are some ways you can increase the RPM. For example, you can change your niche, you can change to other higher RPM niche, or you can increase the duration of your video, because you know that with longer video you can put more ads on your video. And another thing that affects the RPM very much is the location of the audience. For example, if the audience is from UK or US, the RPM is higher. So meaning that you can make more money if your audience is in the US or in the UK. So you want to increase the RPM, you can just make your video in English. It is better to make it in your own language, like in Vietnamese or in Indian or stuff like that. The RPM is very low. So that's all for today's video, the RPM for different niche on YouTube. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.